Have you ever wanted to experience firsthand the roles and functions that organelles conduct in a fun setting? Well, look no further. The Animal Cell Amusement Park is just the place for you. We have many popular attractions, such as cell membrane soccer, where you access the phospholipid bilayer membrane and regulate which molecules, in this case soccer balls, go in and out of the cell in order to protect the cell or goal from its surroundings.
We also house a nucleus exhibit in which spectators can observe nuclei conducting the processes of RNA polymerase, the production of ribosomes, as well as the storage of DNA.
Guests can also take part in the centriole tug of war, in which participants simulate the separation of chromosomes during mitosis.
The popular mitochondria gym features Mr. Mitochondria producing adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, with only sugar and oxygen. ATP is the source of energy required to power this resort.
At the far side of the resort, we have the theater. This week we are featuring Mr. Ribosome and his assistant, Punit. In their act, they produce human insulin just using the mRNA through a process called translation.
In our vesicle exhibit, participants can experience what it feels like to be transported through a cell. However, instead of transporting materials such as proteins around a cell, people will be transporting themselves in submarine-like vesicles. If one gets hungry, one can dine at our 5-star Subway with Mr. ER. And no, ER doesn't stand for emergency room. It stands for endoplasmic reticulum. Watch as he modifies a protein sandwich and adds carbohydrates, turkey and cheese to satisfy the needs of both customers and the nucleus. Before you leave, don't forget to visit the Golgi Shipping Center where you can submit macromolecules, or in this case postcards, which will be stamped, sorted, packaged, and sent to friends and family via transport vesicles.